What if science was never meant to replace God, but to reveal His greatness? What if every star in the sky, every law of physics, every breath in your lungs was quietly pointing back to the Creator? Welcome to Divine WonderLab, a place where faith meets wonder, where science becomes a window into the majesty of God, and where the mysteries of the universe remind us that creation is not an accident, it is evidence. The deeper we look into the universe, the more breathtaking it becomes. Galaxies stretching across unimaginable distances, DNA carrying the code of life, the perfect balance of Earth that allows humanity to exist, the human body fearfully and wonderfully made. Science can explain many things how work, but behind every design there is still the question, who designed it? At Divine WonderLab, we explore the beauty of creation through both scientific discovery and biblical truth, not to create confusion between science and faith, but to show that wonder can lead us closer to God. Because every heartbeat carries rhythm, every planet follows order, every atom obeys laws it did not create for itself. Creation speaks, and its message is powerful. This channel exists to inspire Christians to deepen their faith through the wonders of God's creation, to remind people that faith is not blindness, and that curiosity about the universe can strengthen our relationship with the one who made it. Here we will journey through the mysteries of space, the complexity of life, the beauty of nature, and the hidden patterns woven into creation itself, not just to gain knowledge, but to awaken awe. Because when we truly see the universe, we do not become smaller. We realize how great God truly is. This is more than science, more than discovery, more than entertainment. This is wonder with purpose. This is Divine WonderLab.